Hello guys, in this video I will be explaining how to perform aggregation framework using tools like MongoDB Compass. So to perform that, here in this video I have one problem. I have its solution in normal query that we use in MongoDB shell. I have four other stages that we will be working on MongoDB Compass. So let's look it on one by one. For the problem is finding out average capacity of and cost per inmate of prison funded by exactly three sources, and the data should be displayed for each security level. So the grouping by function will be carried upon prison security variable. And going ahead, this is the normal query that we use in MongoDB shell. It consists of four stages: match, group, project, and sort. Each of the stage has its own importance. The match operator is the first and foremost and the most important part, which will carry out the filtering part. It will filter out the funding source and give us only the documents which consist of three funding sources only, equal to three funding sources. Next we will proceed to grouping by function. We need to group by the data based on security level. So here we are grouping the data on prison security. Then we need two of this aggregating values like average capacity. It is quite straightforward. We will use average operator and like store the data in average prison capacity variable. But for this one, the cost per inmate of prison, this is a bit complex. Like for this we will not be able to do it by using one variable. We will need two of the aggregating functions. We will need total of the actual cost and total of the inmates in each security level. So later on we can divide that by total of actual cost divided by total of inmates to get cost per inmate. So in this part we will be using the sum operator to store the total prison capacity and total actual cost. And in the next stage, in the project stage, we will be first working on average prison capacity. We will round it off to 0 decimals, as we the unit of prison capacity is in person and it cannot be in decimal, so we'll keep it as 0. And for cost per inmate, we will first check. We will have a condition. Only if the prison capacity, total prison capacity, is greater than 0, then we will proceed to divide, because we cannot divide anything by 0, so the value of prison capacity should be greater than 0. Then we will use divide operator to divide actual cost, total of actual cost, by total of prison capacity and round it off to 2. Or else we will keep it as 0. In the last stage, we will use sorting to sort out the data based on prison security. Now, how to do this in Compass? This is how our Compass looks like. First of all, we will create a new pipeline. In the new pipeline, we will add one stage. Our first stage is match, so we'll go for match. Here I have the expression written here. We'll go ahead and put it here. We'll remove the not required things. So here we are getting the sample of 10 documents. This is only the first stage. We'll proceed to the next stage. The next stage is grouping by, so we'll type here group. And we'll paste everything here inside the both brackets. Oh, sorry. So now here they will show us the output. The four variables that we are here checking here: prison security, total prison capacity, total actual cost, and average prison capacity. Going ahead, the third stage will be project stage. So here we'll add another stage. Select project from here. Put our expression inside both the brackets. And as we can see here, we are getting all the three things we need in our output: the security level, average prison capacity, and cost per inmate. But the last stage that we need is sorting. So for sorting, we'll go once again, copy the expression and select sort here, then we'll just put it on. This will give us the required output. We can run it here and have the details in proper format. We can then also edit it if we want. We have different options here to explore. We can like have it in full screen, and we can check input to every stage, output to every stage. We can toggle between inputs and outputs. We can add stage from here. So these all are the things that we can perform in MongoDB Compass, and that's all in this video. Thank you.